Hello and welcome to another video. Today I will be making this lovely Lego set. So I hope you will enjoy watching me as I assemble what we have here is this nice lovely Lego set. Thank you so much for watching and I hope you enjoy. I really don't know how this is going to turn out. I mean, I think if I just flip it upside down and this be the bottom, that should work. So here goes nothing, I guess. We're going to be making this lovely love, as you can tell. And yeah, so I'm very excited about this. We are shimmying open the back. Just running the knife down it. So that way we can open it. And voila! All our pieces are contained with our lovely book. The L-E-O-V. I mean, it would make sense. I start with the V, and then I go to the L, and then I can start with the E, and then go to the O, right? That makes sense to me, so just leave that up there. We'll start with the lovely V. Oh man, did I not wipe this table off? Nuts! Important note, remember, wipe off your table surface before you start your project. Okay, here we go, we've got our love. Start with the V. V, bag number 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Like I do with all of my pieces, I always start by laying out all the pieces together so when it comes time to grab them, they are next to each other and in a row. Because that is the fastest way I have found for 1, me being able to find the piece, and 2, being able to accomplish building the Legos fast. Well, not crazy fast, but fast enough for me. And it works. So if it ain't broke, don't fix it. This is what bag 5 gives us, right here. I think this is no, that's the base. So this will be the front that we're missing the cap on. Inside and outside, we're kind of looking like this, I think. That's how it's gonna look. Okay, bag 6. There we go. We've completed the V. Oh wait, we don't want to do 0. We want to go to L now, not 7. We'll just leave that one up there. I'm no expert, but this looks like they're connected here in this corner. Are they supposed to be connected? Oh, they are. And then the O, they are connected in the corner there. That's surprising, because then I guess it makes sense, because then it's making this and that, and then they just conjoin. Oh. Well, I guess this is gonna make both of them then, L and E. I already made the V. I could make the O, and then I just finish this one for last. That's what I think I'll do. I guess I should have done it that way the first time. I should have. It said ×2. I should have made 2 of them right from the start, just side by side. Oh well. We made one, and now we made one, and now we will duplicate that. Did it in one extra piece the last bag. One thing you want to make sure the gray piece goes towards the top, because if you put it on the wrong way, it'll overlap this circle here, and you don't want that. You want the overlap to be at the top of it, so to be like that. Otherwise, it will look like this. And you don't want that gap there. So you want to make sure your gray, when you're placing it, goes like that. Oh, well, yeah, that's if I did the LE first, but I obviously did not, so we've got the VO first. Nice! Well, I'm not done yet, because we still have the L and the V. Okay. Doing it backwards. Now we are on to the L and the E. so part 86, what you gotta do is you've got to take the L and connect the base of the L down here. Here, let's see if I can. Probably should have explained it the first time rather than trying to do it this way, but that's okay. We've got this lovely tool here. Hold on. There we go. Alright, so what you want to do is you want to take your L, which looks just like this, take the back one of the two prongs and connect it to the top of your E. So you'll line that up, connect it like so. Make sure it snaps into place, and then you're going to take your lovely 12 single and snap it, and that'll lock the top of the E to God bless me. I'll take the top of the E and connect it to the bottom of the L. So now you have one solid piece, the L and the E. Beautiful, and now this is done. Then what you're going to do is you're going to take your V and you're going to connect the two pieces to what we have, the two balls and the two miniature hands, which will connect right in with the receiver on the V. I'm starting with the balls first. Oh! Be sure not to break it. That will connect in, and here we go. So now we've got the V connected to the bottom of the L, and luckily it shows us how to connect the O. So the O, these two balls will then connect in the, oh nuts. Hold on. I broke the bottom of the L. I still think I'm missing a piece somewhere. I'm not sure. I might need to go back and look at that. Whoopsies! But then you take your O and connect it to the two ball joints in that hole there. So just slide it in and hope it works well. Bam! And then just like that, you've completed your love. How exciting. Although hopefully, unlike me, you don't break it. So let's go take a look at the V real quick to see if I am missing a piece. Oh, I put it on the wrong way. Yep, okay. Oh no, not that way. Alright, I broke the base off of the V, so we're just going to fix that real quick. And now it lines up, which is what we want. You can put this back here, and voila. Now we're done. See, my base looks good, and now we have completed the love.